For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The ZHIYUN Smooth 5 SAI Pro Gimbal Stabilizer is a great tool if you're into video shooting with your smartphone. I've used it during a weekend shoot for a client's restaurant promo, and what stood out was its AI tracking module. It doesn't require an app, which honestly saved me time when I was switching locations. I simply raised my hand, and it locked on instantly, even from several feet away. That kind of responsive tracking is a game changer when you're filming alone. The hand gesture control feels intuitive. Whether I was filming a walking shot or a static product close-up, I didn't need someone to operate the camera. Just a small gesture, and the gimbal did the rest. Lighting can be tricky, especially during early evening shoots. The built-in fill light helped balance the shadows on my face during a rooftop shoot, and the magnetic fill light that comes in the Pro Pack gave me better results when filming indoors. I also used one of the light filters to soften the glare when filming reflective products. As for stability, this thing performs like some of the heavier rigs I've tested before. The 3-axis stabilization structure and algorithm made sure my motion shots didn't look shaky even when I was walking over uneven pavement. I'm used to editing out micro shakes in post, but with this gimbal, I didn't need to. The keyboard-style control panel really helps when adjusting modes on the fly. I didn't have to mess around with any screen settings, just tapped the right button and kept filming. When you're on a tight timeline, that saves minutes that really count. What I enjoyed most was the 360 degrees unlimited rotation. I tested it during a tracking shot at the park, and it allowed me to pan dramatically without feeling restricted by any angle limitations. It felt like having cinematic movement from such a compact device. You'll get a complete kit too. The Smooth 5 SAI Stabilizer, AI Module, Tripod, Magnetic Fill Light, Storage Bag, USB Type-C Cable, VIP Card, and 4 Fill Light Filters. If you're into vlogging, solo content creation, or just want your phone videos to look better without needing a whole camera crew, I can tell you from experience it delivers solid performance right out of the box.